Guys, and in this video I will show you how you can fix error while communicating with Rocket League servers. I found a new fix, and if it's applicable for Xbox, PS4, PS5 and PC users, but I will show you on PC how you can do that, but you can Google it out how you can do specific steps and do it on PS4, PS5 or Xbox. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to date and time and language, date and time, toggle off and toggle on, set time zone automatically. Here, set time automatically as well. And then press sync now. After that, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection, and then go to more adapter options here. Under the Internet Protocol version 4, you need to select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Don't worry, just to Google's DNS servers. And on your PS4, PS5, Xbox, you need to just Google it out, how to change DNS server addresses and put the same amount as well. And then go to Internet Protocol version 4. Version 6. Here, double click on it. Then select use IPv6 address automatically. Then select use the following DNS server addresses. And then you need to put this number here. And the number here. So I will leave this number in the comment section below. But if I forgot, it's 2001 double dot 4860 double dot same number, 2 double dots and 8888, and on alternate 2001 4860 2 times with 1 2 time dot, then 2 time dot 2 times and 8844. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button.